Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video of Facebook marketing course, I'm going to teach you what is behavior based targeting in Facebook ads. In the previous videos, I have already shown you how to interest based targeting and how to do demographic based targeting. And in this particular video, we'll be mainly talking about behavioral based targeting. So let's directly get into my Facebook dashboard and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now I'm in my Facebook ads account and I am in ad set level because you see the targeting option in ad set level. Whenever you are creating a campaign, you have to go to ad set level in order to do your detailed targeting, right? Now in detailed targeting option, as you can see here, in detailed targeting option, we get these three options, these three main targeting options, which is demographical based, interest based, and behavioral based. Right, so we have already talked about these two things. Now we are going to talk about behavioral based targeting. So for that, you have to click on this browse button, and here you'll be able to see these three options. So we are going to talk about behaviors. So in behavioral based, you'll be able to see these many options. Right, on the basis of these options you can do your targeting, or basically you can define your audience. Right, now let's start with one by one. We'll be starting with anniversary. So in anniversary, mainly we do have only one option, which is anniversary within 61 to 90 days. So if there is any anniversary, or you sell products like which can be sold to these type of audience, you can target. Then we have this behaviors option. This is one of the main important option in behavioral based targeting. So if we click on this, and this will not be expand because this is just to show you behaviors, and these are the behaviors which is mentioned over here, right? So one by one you can do your behavioral based targeting. As you can see, on user mobile device user, you see this all mobile device by operating system, and if you click on this, you'll be able to see two options, Facebook access, both are same. And if we click under these, you'll be able to see these two options, right? So in Facebook access, this is recently detected devices, and this is recently detected iPhone 14 devices. So this is just for iPhone 14 users because there is a security level in iPhones. That's why there's one different behavioral based option here, right? So if specifically if you want to target iPhone users, iPhone 14 users, you can do with this option, right? Now in behaviors, we do have few more behavior option like purchase behavior. So if there is a uh, product which you directly or immediately want to sell, so you can target these type of audience, like purchase offer, purchase with offer, and then you get purchase with offer, right? So I hope you are getting the point that this is kind of an audience which purchases the product with offer, right? Now let me close this one as well, this one as well. So this is a very huge list you have to explore by yourself, and you have to explore by your uh, basically on the basis of your business niche or the basis of your business nature, right? Now in travel option, this is the last option, and above travel we have many other options as well. Soccer, purchase behavior, who have, or the audience which have purchase behavior right now, or the audience who is willing to buy something right now, right? So let's talk about the travel first. So in travel, we'll be able to see options like these, like commuters, frequent travelers, frequent international travelers, then return from travel 1 week ago, travels 1 week ago, right? Return from travel 2 week ago. So this is how you can do your targeting. And if you have a product which suits these kind of audience, these kind of behaviors, you can target. Then in purchase behavior, we see only one option, which is engaged shoppers, right? Engaged shoppers means who is engaged with the shopping activities, and that kind of audience is called engaged shoppers. This is getting glitched, that's why. No issue. Now, in more categories, we get two options, interested in upcoming events, marketing API developers, last 90 days, right? And then we have few more like digital activities. In digital activities, we get these options, operating system used. So We do have only one, which is Windows 10, right? Then, and this is for Facebook operating system, Facebook OS, not Facebook OS. Sorry for that. I'm talking about the person who have accessed Facebook account with Windows 10. That kind of people will be targeted if you use this option, right? Then Canvas gaming. These are the Canvas gaming option. Console gamers. Then Facebook payment users, 90 days. Then Facebook access older devices and operating systems, right? Then Facebook page admin. Who are Facebook page admin? Business page admins. If you want to target Facebook admins, so these are the options, right? Business page admins, then community club page admin, Facebook page directly Facebook page admin, then food and restaurant page admin, then health and beauty page admin. So tons of options are here. You have to explore. Internet browser used, which type of internet is which type of browser is accessing your target user, like this, right? Chrome, Firefox. So almost all majority browsers are here. Then we do have operating system used. If I click on this, these are the operating systems are listed here. Windows 7, 8, then XP, Vista, Mac. These two are Mac OS, right? Mac Sierra and this Mac OS X, right? So I hope you understood about the behavioral based targeting, that how you can do behavioral based targeting. And to be honest, you have to explore this targeting list by yourself, because you know your business very well, like, right? And if you're not in business, you just want to learn Facebook ads or Facebook marketing, then still you have to explore it by yourself on your basis, basically on your perspective, so that you can understand that if this kind of business client I get, so how will I do the targeting for that particular client, right? So you have to take those examples one by one. Let's say you are getting an example of a pet food seller, right? There is a client, you got a client that sells pet food, right? So how you will do their targeting, that particular client's targeting? So you have to practice one by one. You have to do targeting for that particular client, right? So this is how you can do, or you can practice your things. I hope you got the point. I hope you get an idea that how you can practice these targeting options, because if you're not practicing these things, then learning about these things is just waste of time. So you have to practice by yourself as well after watching all these videos, right? Now in future upcoming videos, we'll be practically showing you how to create the proper campaign, and how to use these targeting options. But still, practicing is important. Now with that said, I'll be leaving you. I'll take your leave. But yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.